Hello everyone, today we are going to explain how the debt section works. From the student's profile, here we click in Victoria, for example. In the Payments tab, we have the option to create manual debt. We click on the red button and we see different options. You have to know that the monthly fee debt is created automatically every month, but here we could create a new debt, for example, for the next month. We can create other types of debts, such as payment of a single class by selecting the class here and setting the price here. Click overwrite amount and put the price and create a debt. Also, we can create debts for events or for vouchers. And we have an option, other debts, other payments, which is for all of those payments that the school has that are not regular fees or classes. For example, you can use them for debts for material or merchandising. We write the name, we write the price, and create a debt with a yellow button. And this is all. Easy and simple. Thank you.